Hello. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Ria.
Where do you live?
I stay in Pune.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What do you usually do every day?
I study and also help at home.
What time do you usually sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock at night.
What did you eat in the morning?
I ate bread and butter for breakfast.
Do you often watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Which food do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy eating dosa.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I like music very much.
Which sport do you enjoy playing?
I like playing cricket.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have a close friend?
Yes, my best friend is Neha.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I like the beach.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
No, I cannot swim.
Can you drive a car?
No, I cannot drive yet.
Are you hungry now?
No, I am not hungry.
What's the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.